Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to check the flight status in the Volotea application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And then click on the three lines at the top of the page on the left. And then click on the flights button. And then click on the flight status button. And as you can see, you can search using the flight route or the flight number. So if you're using the flight number, then just select the date. So you can search for the previous day, that day, and then the day after, and then just type in the flight number and just click on the see flights status to check it. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.